In the state of Virginia, in the county of Madison, there is a bustling community-centered park. Inside the park named Hoover Ridge, there is a camp called Camp Crockett, and in this camp there is a trailhead for a very short walk of the Clore Trail System. This is the Hoover Ridge ArtWalk. This video is of seasonal artwork from local school-age children, including homeschooled kids, creating a walking art gallery. There are so many submissions and we didn't want to leave anyone out, so the shots will be short, so feel free to pause to get a good look and enjoy our stroll. See the links below for the Madison County, Virginia Parks and Rec main page, the Hoover Ridge Parks main page, including the ArtWalk direct link.